In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft 365 Copilot and create a blank Excel workbook. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen, so you can get straight to working in Excel with the help of Copilot. Before we start, keep in mind that you need an active Microsoft 365 license that includes access to Copilot and Excel. If you don't have the right license, some options may not appear for you. Begin by opening Microsoft 365 Copilot. Most people do this in a web browser, and once it's open, you'll see the main Copilot interface. Take a moment to get oriented. On the left side, there's a vertical navigation area. That's where you'll find shortcuts to different Microsoft 365 apps and experiences. In that left area, look for the Excel icon. It may show the Excel logo and sometimes the label Excel. The navigation might be collapsed if your window is narrow. In that case, you'll still see the Excel symbol, and hovering over the bar should reveal the app names. If you don't see Excel at all, it usually means your account doesn't have the necessary access, or the app shortcuts are customized. In that situation, it's typically a licensing or permissions issue, and you'll want to confirm your entitlements. Click the Excel icon. When you do, you'll be redirected to the Excel page. This is the Excel home experience in the browser, where you might see recent files, pinned workbooks, and common templates. Don't worry if your screen looks a little different. Microsoft occasionally updates the layout, but the key options remain the same. From here, create a blank workbook. Look for the option labeled Blank Workbook and select it. That opens a fresh spreadsheet in Excel for the web, ready for you to enter data, build tables, or try Copilot prompts. If Copilot features are available to your license, you'll typically see Copilot entry points within Excel, allowing you to summarize data, generate formulas, or explore trends using natural language. If you don't see those Copilot options, that again points to licensing or feature enablement rather than something you did wrong. That's all there is to it. Open Microsoft 365 Copilot, click the Excel icon on the left, and then choose a blank workbook from the Excel page. Remember, you must have a valid license to access these features. With that in place, you're set to create and work in a new Excel workbook right from your browser, with Copilot ready to help you move faster and make better decisions.